How to make an alternative account on Discord. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make an alt or alternative account on Discord and use these two accounts at the same time. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. What I have here is my personal Discord account already logged in on my Discord app. So if we want to make another account and use it at the same time, let's go to the browser and search for discord.com. In here, let's click on Open Discord on your browser. We have to input here a username and just continue. Then we need to set up the account, just proceed in here. Now that we have the another account, let's add my personal one here. So the friend request was sent. Let's go back to the other account and accept the request. Now that the two accounts are friends, I will try adding it to my server here. We go back again to the alt account and accept the invite. And we are now on the channel and using both simultaneously. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. And once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.